We only invest in technology if it solves a real problem.
We're able to offer a level of service that has never been available before.
Orion will be the world's first fusion power plant and the beginning of an entire industry.
The Innovator Awards really are an opportunity to give voice to people who are working to rise above, working to go beyond what we tend to expect or what we tend to see in the region. The idea that big cities and large companies are the source of sustaining innovation is a bit of a fallacy. There are not that many structures and support mechanisms in a region like Central Washington to support innovation that actually creates economic lift. We are the state institution that is in this area that is responsible for being what we call a steward of place. It's essential that we do that work in giving pathways for innovation to flourish. Sponsoring the Newcomer and Innovation Award is an opportunity to celebrate what's possible.
Not about investing in technology. It's about finding problems, and if there is an appropriate solution, then we will invest in that technology. There is an entire world of solutions out there. We are narrowing what we look at based on certain standards to provide wonderful care in this region and keep it that way. We are focused on using generative AI tools, not for diagnosis, I want to be clear. And what that allows us to do is to focus on each other and not have me behind a screen typing away trying to keep up with my frantic day. Many of these tools are focused on efficiency. They also improve care quality. My name is Beckett Menke. I am the Chief Medical Officer here at Confluence Health and also a practicing pediatric cardiologist.
There was communication services obviously here before. What is different with Bigfoot is we lead with equity. We begin with what's fair. That idea of fairness is rooted in decades and in some cases in Indian country, centuries of injustice. Our approach to bringing services to our tribal communities is to provide something that is affordable, it's accessible, and it will be something that you know that it's going to be there. It's a delicate balance for tribal communities to move forward, yet have values rooted in the past. How do we make sure we honor our ancestors, the sacrifices they made 7 generations ago to ensure that we would be here today and able to do this work? Is this work going to provide a foundation for that 7 generations from now, for them to look back and say, we're really proud of the work that they did? We can provide a world-class level of service in a community that has never received it before, to achieve things that they've never been able to achieve before. I'm Ernie Rasmussen, and I'm the Executive Director at Bigfoot Communications of the Colville Tribes.
At Helion, our goal is to provide clean, low-cost, carbon-free electricity for the entire world. Our mission is to deploy clean electricity to the world as fast as possible, and so what that means is we need to iterate and learn as fast as possible. Orion is our first commercial power plant. Our goal is to have the first electrons on the grid in 2028. That positions us as the world leader in fusion, and even more importantly, allows us to bring all of the pieces together to start deploying fusion in the world as fast as possible. It also positions Chelan County as the home of commercial fusion, the first fusion power plant in the world. I'm really proud and thank you for wanting us to be here. I'm David Kirtley, CEO of Helion Energy.
On behalf of Central Washington University, please join me in congratulating this year's Newcomer and Technology Finalists, Helion, Confluence Health, and Bigfoot Communications.